How to save photos in Google Photos. Firstly, you have to install the Google Photos app from your Play Store. Now open the Google Photos app on your phone. This method is same for phone, iPhone or for Android. We are going to know that how to save photo in Google Photos. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, how to save photo? You have to see at the bottom there is an option of sharing. Click on it. Select any of the album. Click on this and you have to select the photos from here. Like click on select photos. Select any of the photos which you want to save. Click on add and you can see here keep album. You can see that photos will be added to your Google Photos. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.